Hello everyone, welcome to my online class. I am present here with chapter number 9 of mathematics. This is the second, already you know that this is the second part of this chapter number 9. And the title of this chapter is what? Rounding numbers. And through this video, we will learn about rounding decimals. Already all of you have learned the first part of this chapter is whole number decimals, rounding of whole number. Through this video we will learn about these things. Before we start this class, I want to explain something. Suppose that I am going to write a number and I want to explain through this number about what is difference between whole number and decimal. Suppose that I have written a number of 3 digits. Okay. So when we talk about the whole number, we count or we read this number 438. But when we count this number according to the place of given digit, we read like this, and always we start from the right hand side. And start from the right hand side towards the left hand side. Okay, like 1, 10, 100. So you can see that in this whole number 438 start from ones, tens, 100. But when we talk about the decimal number, what is decimal number? The number uh, we write after decimal is called decimal number. For example, this is a 4. Okay, this as it is. I keep it as it is, and we will write 438.346. Okay, 346. So this is, we can read this number 438.346. Already I told in the discussion class, after decimal we read the number with single digit, point 438.346. We will not read 438 decimal 346, ऐसा नहीं पढ़ते हैं. We will read decimal 346. And when we count the decimal number, when we count the given decimal number, start from left hand side. अब decimal number count किधर से start करते हैं? Left hand side से. Which side से? Start from this side and end with right hand side. Start from left hand side and end with right hand side. So this is 346. Okay, and when start the counting of decimal number, start with 10. T-E-N-T-H, 10th, 100, and thousands. Decimal number, the first decimal number start with 10th, not 1. 10, 100, 1000. 10, 100, 1000. Okay, so now come to this topic. Rounding decimal. This is a subtopic of this chapter. Rounding decimal. Decimal में कैसे round करते हैं? तो rounding decimal in 1, 10, 100. Suppose that how can we change the given decimal number in 1, 10 and 100? Start from this number 1. Suppose that I am going to write 3.4. I have written 3.4. So when we change this decimal number in 1 1 change करना है, तो how can we change this 3.4 in rounding number? So you can see that the given decimal number is 0.4. For few minute or second leave it, इसको छोड़ देते हैं, and you can see that what is the decimal number? 0.4. It means 0.4 means what? 0.4 means, already I told in discussion class, when we write a number which start from 1 to 4, we will go backward. But when we write 5 or more than 5, it means 5 or more than 5, we will go forward. It means what? From 5 to 9. From 5 to 9, if the given number, it doesn't matter that is the whole number or decimal number. But if the given number is 5 or more than 5, it means like 5 to 9, we will go forward. We will go 1 to 4 रहेगा तो हम लोग बैक आएंगे, बैक वाला नंबर दिखेंगे राउंडिंग में, और 5 और मोर देन 5 रहेगा 5 to 9, तो हम लोग आगे वाले को नंबर क्लिक करेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ सेकंड थिंग इज, suppose that I have written 3.4 and change this decimal number rounding, change it in rounding in nearest ones. इसको चेंज करना nearest ones, rounding nearest 1 means what? This is not 1, this is 10th. Already I told the first decimal number start from 10, 100, 1000 like this. And when we talk about 1 means what? This is the whole number. हमको इसको चेंज करना है, इसमें लाना है, इस 3.4 को nearest 1 में लाना है. It means what? 3.4. Suppose that this is 34. When we delete decimal, so what is number? 34. And when we change into nearest 10. When we change into nearest 10, we will write for this to change, because this number, this 34 comes between what? This number comes between 30 and 40. 30 और 40 के बीच में आएगा. So 34 is nearest to it. Nearest to what? Nearest किसके सबसे नजदीक है? 30 और 40 के बीच में किसके नजदीक है? 34 is comes between 30 and 40. So you can see that 34 is nearest to 30 और 34 is nearest to 40. किसके नजदीक है? 30 के नजदीक है. Already I told when the given number the ones place number is tens place number, ones place number, tens place number is from 1 to 4, we will go backward. So what is the answer? What is answer? 30. 30 is our answer. In this question, when we change this 34 nearest 10, so answer is 30, not 40. So this is the whole number now. When we put decimal, when we put decimal 3.4, after decimal only single digit. That's why in this question is saying that rounding nearest one. इसमें चेंज करना, मतलब होल नंबर में चेंज करना. इसका होल नंबर क्या होगा? अगर नियरेस्ट में लिखेंगे राउंडिंग में तो 3.4 का क्या होगा? You can see that decimal number is 4. 4 means what? Less than 5. Less than 5. So we will write like this. We will write. So this 4 change replaced by this 4 replaced by 0 and 3 is as it is. We will write 3 is as it is. So what is answer? 3.0. 3.0. This is our answer. This is our answer. But when the first decimal number is 0, don't need to write the 0. 3.0. We will write only 3. Or we will write only 3. Okay, so this is our answer. 3.4. Nearest one what? 3. Okay. Now the second one. Second one is 10. Suppose that 5.43. This is second question. And rounding nearest rounding nearest 10. राउंडिंग नियरेस्ट 10. इसको अब राउंड ऑफ करना है. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन 5.43. so you can see that the first number is what? The first number is 4 and the second number is 3. So change this rounding number. First we have to see 3. It means 100 place number 10 100. इसको चेक करना पड़ेगा. To change this round off or to write this number in rounding figure or round off, first we have to see the number, the second decimal number. The second decimal number is this 3. So you can see that this 3 is less than 5. This 3 is less than 5. So first this 3 replaced by 0. This 3 is replaced by 0. So what is the answer? What is the and? This 3 is replaced by 0 and this 4, this 10th place number 4 is at 80. We will write at 80. So what is answer? 5.40. This is our answer. Our answer 5.40. Now come to the next question. Next question is 6.78. Next question I have written 6.78 and rounding nearest 10th. इसको भी 10th में nearest, इसको 10th में भी, इसको भी 10th में ही rounding करना, round off करना. So what is question? Question is 6 6.78, and you can see that the first number is 7. Yes, and between this is 10th na, and this is 100 na. This is a 10th, first डेसिमल नंबर is 10th, 100. इस तरह ही काउंटिंग करते हैं, 1 से स्टार्ट नहीं करते, डेसिमल नंबर को 1 से स्टार्ट नहीं करते, 10th से स्टार्ट करते, 10th, 100, 1000, लाइक दिस. ओके, इस तरह से करते हैं. So to change this rounding number, to change this given number in rounding nearest 10, first we have to see the number which is on hundreds, which is on 100, and you can see that the 100th, it means the second decimal number, the second decimal number 8, the second decimal number is more than 5, so we will go forward. आगे जाएंगे ना, आगे जाएंगे. So this number, when the second decimal number is more than 5, we will go forward, and this 8 replaced by 0 and increase 10th place number by 1. It means मैंने क्या कहा, आप समझा देता हूँ. मैंने कहा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि ये 100 प्लेस का जो नंबर है वो मोर देन 5 है, 5 से ज़्यादा है, तो क्या करेंगे, मैंने बताया कि 5 और मोर देन 5 रहेगा तो वी विल गो फॉरवर्ड, आगे की ओर बढ़ेंगे. सो यू कैन सी दैट, सपोज दैट फॉर सम टाइम, सपोज दैट दिस इज 78, and we want to change it nearest 10. Suppose that this is a whole number, this is not, sometimes for example this is a whole number, and change it with this number is nearest 10. Yes, nearest 10, because this is a 2-digit number, and when we change this 78 nearest 10, so what is answer, what will the answer, 80. Yes or no, 70 or 80. This 78 nearest to 70 or 80 किसके नजदीक है, 78, 70 और 80 किसके नजदीक है, what is answer, 80. Simple. Okay, the same formula we will apply on this decimal number also. So we will write this 8 is replaced by 0 and increasing 10th place number by 1. इसमें 1 ऐड कर देंगे और इसको 0 कर देंगे, हो गया. तो व्हाट इज आंसर, आंसर इज 6.80. दिस इज आवर आंसर, 6.78 is 6.80. हम लोग को नियर 10th हम करना. देखिए डेसिमल नंबर में क्या होता है ना, जब हम when we solve the question related to decimal, first to change the first number, we have to look or we have to see the next number, आगे क्यों नंबर देखना पड़ेगा. जैसे इन फर्स्ट नंबर मैंने क्या किया था, क्वेश्चन लिखा था मैंने 3.4 और उसको चेंज करना था 1 में चेंज करना था, 1 में चेंज, नियरेस्ट 1 में चेंज करना था. तो डेसिमल तो 1 से स्टार्ट होता नहीं, डेसिमल नंबर स्टार्ट होता है 10 से. ऑलवेज डेसिमल नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 10, नॉट 1. होल नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, बट डेसिमल नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 10th, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाइक दिस. सो 10th, 100, and the first number is 6.78. To change this number, to change this 7, first we have to look this 8. What is the next number? What is the second decimal number? Second decimal number is more than 5. Yes or no? So we this 8 replaced by 0 and the first decimal number is increase by 1. इसलिए इसको 0 को इसमें ये 8 0 में रिप्लेस हो जाएगा और इसमें 1 ऐड हो जाएगा. 78 nearest to 80, that's why I have written 6.80. 78 nearest to 80 na, so that's why I have written 6.80. This is our answer. Okay, so this type of question nearest ones or nearest tens, we will solve like this. Okay. Now next question is, okay, I am going to explain this one more one or more than one example through one or more than one example. This is, for example, question number 1. Question number 1 is rounding of 5.6 nearest 1. Question number 2, 8.3 नियरेस्ट 1. पहले इसको 2 को बना देता हूं मैं. नियरेस्ट 1 में राउंडिंग करना है डेसिमल नंबर. दिस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 5.6. so you can see that in question number 1, 5.6, this is the only one decimal number, only 0.6. so you can see that the decimal number 6 is more than 5 or more than 5. No. so we will go forward, and this decimal number replaced by 0, this decimal number replaced by 0, and the one place number or whole number increasing by 1. तो क्या लिखेंगे इसको? क्या लिखेंगे? 5.6 को हम क्या लिखेंगे? We will write 6.0. We will write 5.6 in rounding decimal nearest one. Answer will be 6.0 or 6. This is answer. Okay. Now next question number 2. Question number 2 is 8.3. Question number 8.3 is, but you can see that the decimal number, इसको वंस में चेंज, मैंने बताया जब अगर वंस में चेंज करना है तो 10th प्लेस का नंबर देखेंगे फर्स्ट. 10th में चेंज करना है तो 100 प्लेस का नंबर देखेंगे. 100th प्लेस का नंबर देखेंगे. 100 प्लेस का डेसिमल नंबर देखेंगे. 100 प्लेस का डेसिमल नंबर को चेंज करना है तो 1000 प्लेस के डेसिमल नंबर को देखेंगे. तो 8.3 now change it nearest 1. so 8.3 is what? You can see that, suppose that this is 83, and when we write this 83 nearest 10, so what is answer? 80 or 90? 83 comes between 80 or 90 now. So what is answer? 80. so the same things you can see that in this 8.3 the decimal number is 0.3, and 0.3, this decimal number is 0.3, it means less than 5. 5 से कम है ना, less than 5 है. so we will go backward, हम लोग पीछे आएंगे, and this 3 replaced by 0, and we decrease one place number by 1. अब इसमें डिक्रीज हो जाएगा, घट जाएगा. ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? हम इसको क्या लिख देंगे? हम इस 8.3 को डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे 8.0. We will write 8.0 or 8. We will write 8.0. अगर 5 से कम है, if the decimal number is less than 5, we will go backward. If the decimal number is more than 5, we will go forward. The same formula we will apply as the whole number. Okay. Now come to the 10th place number. Rounding decimals nearest but 10. It means 52.26 nearest 10. 37.83 nearest 10. I have written two questions and change it this number nearest what? Nearest 10th. So in question number 1, what is question 5, 52.26. So you can see that change 10 is 10th 100 इसी तरह पढ़ते हैं, हमेशा याद रखिएगा। डेसिमल नंबर में पहला नंबर में 10th पढ़ते हैं, बात पढ़िए गलत हो जाएगा। 10 100, so we will write 52 point. Now you can see that to change this nearest one, to change this 10th place number, first we have to see 100 place number. What is the 100 place number? 100 place number is 6. It means more than 5. 5 से ज़्यादा है ना, so we will go forward. So this 6 replaced by 0, this 6 replaced by 0, and this 2 is, and this 10th place number 2 is increased by 1. इसको 0 करेंगे और इसमें 1 ऐड कर देंगे, because that 100 place number, the second decimal number, 100 place number is more than 5. So we will write this 6 replaced by 0 and increase, and the 10th place number is increasing by 1. So we will write 52.30. This is our answer. ये आंसर होगा 52.236 को क्या लिखेंगे? 52.30. Okay. The same question we will find like this. Question number 37.83. You can see that in the 10th place number is 8 and the 100th place number is what? 3. The 100th place number is less than 5. 100th place number is less than 5. 100th place number is less than 5. So we will go backward. So this 3 replaced by 0. This 3 replaced by 0. And 10th place number we will write as it is. ऐसा ही लिख देंगे, इसको चेंज नहीं करेंगे. So what is answer? Answer is 37.80. This is our answer. 37.80. So students, through this video we have learned about the rounding of decimal numbers, nearest ones and 10. Okay. In next video we will learn about the same subtopic, rounding decimal of 100 place number or more than 100 place number.